Group of Ministers meeting on Kharif paddy procurement held. Procurement target enhanced from 65 LMT to 77 LMT. So far, nearly 10,000 crore rupees as MSP and 3,500 crore rupees as input assistance credited. The group of ministers approved the enhancement of paddy procurement target to 77 lakh MT from 65 lakh MT for the ongoing Kharif season. With minimum support price of 2,300 rupees and additional input assistance of 800 rupees per quintal, more farmers have expressed their willingness to participate in the procurement. For the benefit of the farmers, the group decided to increase the target. The decision was taken in Group of Ministers meeting chaired by Deputy Chief Minister Shri Kanak Vardhan Singh Dio at the third floor conference room at Lok Seva Bhavan. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Shri Suresh Pujari, Food Supplies and Consumer Welfare Minister Shri Krishna Chandra Patra, Cooperation Minister Shri Pradeep Balsamanta, Chief Secretary Shri Manoj Ahuja and other senior officials were present. At the outset, Food Supply and Consumer Welfare Principal Secretary Shri Sanjay Kumar Singh presented procurement status in the state. So far, 46,36,541 metric tons of paddy has been procured from 9,77,293 farmers. Nearly 10,000 crore rupees as MSP and 3,500 crore rupees as input assistance has already been transferred to farmers' accounts. This year, the interests of the farmers have been given utmost importance during procurement and necessary arrangements have been made at the mandis. Keeping in view the interest of the farmers, 3,883 nodal officers have been deployed with CCTV system in the mandis. In addition, 217 enforcement squads have been constituted to keep a close watch on outside paddy vehicles. Various complaints related to the sale of paddy including tokens, input support, MSP to farmers are being resolved expeditiously through the Command Control Center at Orissa State Civil Supplies Corporation. As many as 4,15,267 calls have been received and resolved through toll-free No. 1967. Under the direct supervision of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Mohan Charan Majhi, this year's paddy procurement process has been facilitated. Shri Singh Dio expressed that the process of paddy procurement has become more transparent and successful as Deputy Chief Ministers, Ministers and senior officials are visiting the district and monitoring the process. He also suggested that early steps should be taken for the purchase of paddy in the upcoming Rabi season. Among others, Agriculture and Farmers Empowerment Principal Secretary, County Operations Secretary, Agriculture Director, Managing Director, Civil Supplies Corporation and other senior officials were also present in the meeting.